So, I mean, I would say the best thing, because like I do work in like the creative, I live in that realm. I really, that's a bubble that I feel all the brand owners sort of live in. Uh,
Right.
Artlist.io.
to break that, it's very hard because like you, for me also to realize what's working, what's not working is like a very different. And like when we were talking about all of these things, I never really realized that we do have like a lot of product categories. Now that I'm looking at it, it does come down to like a 8 or a 9 product
Right.
categories.
Right.
And even though we've been
Music
told all our lives,
licensing
all our bachelors, that
reimagined.
the lesser, the nicer, the better.
Right.
But I mean, it just sort of automatically happened. And also when you're in that realm, you're like, नहीं मेरे को स्कर्ट भी बनानी है, और shirt के साथ I also want to
Right.
wear it. So
Absolutely.
so that really does not come to your head when you're in that creative process. Ki, oh, there's also a business behind it.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So that really helped me to narrow it down into a sense ki, acha, we can sort of maybe work with that. Also, we talked about like the nostalgia aspect of it too. Sort of also, even though we do use nostalgia as an umbrella term, to have that focus on something which is a little more narrower. Because again,
Right.
it is a broader topic
Right. Right.
to
Music
have, because
licensing
not everything can
reimagined.
be related to everybody. Like
Sure.
might be there are a few people who don't relate to it.
Sure. Sure.
So to have that understanding also helped me, because I keep looking for like feedbacks in terms like, I mean, more than just clothes.
Right.
You know,
Right.
when you're making clothes, there are people who just tell you, oh, I love this, I love that. But when it actually comes to like the business aspect of it, अच्छा ये jacket नहीं बिक सकती because it
Right.
has वो बनती ही 20,000 की है, तो तुम बेचोगे.
Right.
Artlist.io.
Right.
So
And also reaching the right people, how to
Yeah.
reach them, how to take them kind of through the funnel that we touched upon. Sure. Yeah. Yeah.
so I think that sort of I actually have noted that down. So that I am pretty sure I'm gonna keep in mind for sure.
Right.
Artlist.